Today's topic for discussion is comparison of degree. Now see how there is the conversion or transformation of sentence is seen in respect of comparison of degree. Degree is of three types: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Students, you see, sometimes a person or a thing can be compared to another person or thing, or to another persons or things. Here in this respect, when there is the comparison of degree at the time of conversion of sentence or transformation of sentence, you will see there is the process of changing from positive degree to comparative or from comparative to superlative in any way. Now see, here you may change from positive degree to comparative degree, or from comparative to positive degree, or from positive degree to superlative degree, or from superlative to positive degree, or from comparative degree to superlative degree, or from superlative to positive degree or comparative degree. Here in this respect, either from positive degree to comparative degree, or from comparative to positive degree, or from comparative to superlative degree, or from superlative to comparative degree. In this way, you will see how there is the conversion of sentence in respect of comparison of degree. Now see, step by step, you will follow the rules of changing from the sentence in respect of degree. And here for the first time, I will show you how the sentence is to be converted from positive to comparative degree. Now see in the example. From positive degree to comparative degree. Positive degree to comparative degree. And here in this respect, if you follow the rules of changing from positive degree to comparative degree, you will have to follow the examples. Suppose platinum is as heavy as gold. Platinum is as heavy as gold. And here there is the use of positive degree with the use of as before it, or after the positive degree, just after there is the use of as. Platinum is as heavy as gold. Here this is the use of positive degree. And here if the sentence is to be converted into another one, or if the sentence is to be converted into negative sentence using the comparative degree, here you are going to change a sentence from positive degree to comparative degree in the adjective form. Here platinum is as heavy as gold. This is the sentence. And here now see, at the time of converting the sentence, you will have to use the last word just after the last as at the beginning. Here you will have to write the answer in this way: gold. Here the word or words just after the last as will be used at the beginning in this way: gold. Next, the verb is singular form, gold is used. Here gold is Next, the first as will be removed. And here, if there is the affirmative sense, then at the time of converting the sentence into the negative one or into comparative sentence, you will have to use a negative word, not. Gold is not. Here the first as will be removed and the comparative degree of the adjective word heavier, H-E-A-V-I-E-R. Gold is not heavier. Next, you will have to remove the last as by the use of than. Gold is not heavier than. Next, here you will have to use the first word before the verb just after than. That is platinum. P-L-A-T-I-N-U-M. In this way, you will have to convert a sentence from another one at the time of converting the positive degree to comparative degree. In this way, platinum is as heavy as gold. And here you will have to write the sentence in this way. Gold is not heavier than platinum. Here this is the answer. And here now see, here the positive degree contains a positive sense or affirmative sense. And here there is the use of negative word in the comparative degree. Here it expresses a negative sense. So if you are instructed to make a sentence negative, then you can convert the sentence using the comparative degree of the positive one. In this way, you can change from positive degree to comparative degree. Here, in another example, suppose Ram is not as tall as Sam. Here, Ram is not as tall as Sam. Here, in this sentence, you will see negative word is there. Here, this is the positive degree form. Tall is the positive degree. Here, as is used. Here, tall is used with two as. Before the adjective word, there is the use of as, and just after the adjective word, there is the use of as. Here, if there is the use of so, here it may also be correct. Here, as or so. Ram is not as or so tall as Sam. Here, at the time of converting the speech into comparative degree, converting the sentence into comparative degree, here you will have to write the sentence in this way. Here, just after the last as, you will have to take the word or word just after last as. You will have to use the word or words at the beginning. Here, Sam. Next is here. If there is the negative word or negative sense in the positive degree, then you will have to remove it. Sam is here, not will be removed, and so or as will be removed. And next, you will have to use the comparative form of the adjective word taller. Sam is taller. Next, the last as just after the adjective word will be removed by the use of than. Sam is taller than. Next, the word or words used before the verb, you will have to use it. Here, Sam is taller than Ram. Here, in this way, you will have to convert a sentence. Here, now see, here there is no negative word or negative sense in this comparative form, comparative degree. Here, Sam is taller than Ram. In this way, you can change a sentence containing affirmative sense or negative sense into affirmative sense, or from affirmative to negative, or from positive degree to comparative degree. Now, in another example, suppose he is not as dull as an ass. He is not as dull as an ass. Here in this sentence you will see that there is the negative word not with the use of as, dal, as. Here this is the positive degree, and you are now asked to convert the sentence into a comparative form. Here the adjective use is in the positive sense, and here you are asked to convert it into comparative degree. So you will have to convert the sentence in this way. Here now take the last word or words just after the last H at the beginning. You will have to write an S. Next, you will have to notice whether there is the negative word. Notice the negative word, but now you will have to remove it. Here the first as will be removed and the comparative degree of dal will be used in this way. And as is. Here the verb word will be used and as is. Next, dollar, D-U-L-L-E-R. And as is dollar. Next, then. And as is dollar, then here the word or words used before the verb must be written just after then. He is there. And as is dollar, then he. And as is dollar, then he. He is not as dull as an S, and as is dollar, then he. Here he means he is. Here in this way you may write the answer. Here just after the subject is may be omitted. Here now if there is the comparative degree in the sentence, how to change from comparative to positive degree. Now see, from comparative to positive degree. Positive degree. Comparative to positive degree. Now see how a sentence containing a positive degree of the adjective is to be changed into positive degree. Now see the example. A live horse is stronger than a dead lion. Than a dead lion. Here in this sentence you will see a live horse. A live horse and a dead lion. There is the comparison between the two animals. A live horse, a dead lion. A live horse is stronger than a dead lion. Here this is the comparative degree. This is the comparative degree used in the affirmative sense. And here if you are asked to convert the sentence into the positive degree or using positive degree of the adjective or into the negative sentence, you will have to write in this way the answer. Here you will have to write the word or words just after then at the beginning. Here now see a dead lion is there. This is the phrase here used just after then. It will be taken at first. A dead lion will be written first. A dead lion. Next, the verb is the singular one. A dead lion is. Here now see, there is no negative word in the comparative degree. So you will have to use a negative word, not. Here a dead lion is not. Next, you will have to use the rules of using positive degree. So or as. A dead lion is not so or as strong. S-T-R-O-N-G. A dead lion is not so strong or as strong. Next, you will have to use as. A dead lion is not so strong or as strong as. Next, you will have to use the word or words used before the verb. Now, here a live horse is used just before the verb. So, you will have to write a live horse just after the last edge. Here, a dead lion is not so strong as a live horse. A live horse. In this way, you will have to convert a sentence containing the comparative degree. When you will go to convert a sentence from comparative degree to positive degree, you will have to keep in mind that if there is the negative sense in the comparative form or positive form, then you will have to make it an affirmative sense in the positive degree or comparative degree. Now see how it is. Here, if there is the negative word in the comparative degree, then you cannot use the negative word in the positive degree. But if there is no negative word in the comparative degree, you must use the negative word in the positive degree. In this way, you can use a sentence using the positive degree in a sentence. Now see another example. Suppose Ram is not better than Sam. Suppose here there is a comparison between Ram and Sam. Here Ram is not better than Sam. Here than Sam means than Sam is. Here just after the last word Sam, the subject is omitted. Here Ram is not better than Sam is. Here such type of sentences, they are expressing a negative sense. Here note, the word not is used in order to denote a negative sense. So you see that here better is the word which is used in the sentence in the comparative degree. Now you are going to convert this comparative degree to positive degree. Here how you will change the sentence, now see. Here you will have to follow the last word just after the word then at the beginning. Here Sam will be used first, S-H-Y-A-M, Sam. Next the verb is. Here suppose I is there, then I am will be used. Suppose you is there, so you will have to write you are there. Ram is not better than Sam. Suppose Ram is not better than I am, then you will have to write I am. Suppose Ram is not better than you will have to write you are. In this way, you will have to use the subject. Sam is. Next, here you will see that there is the negative word. So you will have to remove the word not. Sam is. Next, you will have to use the positive degree with the use of so or as just before it. Here Sam is so or as. Sam is. Sorry. Here you will have to use as. Sam is as good. As good. Next, then will be removed by the use of as. Sam is as good as. Here the word used before the verb will be used just after last as. Ram. Ram means Ram is. Here in this way you will have to write the answer. Sam is as good as Ram. Now you see, if there is the negative word in the positive degree, then instead of the use of as, you will use so. So is better used in order to express the negative sense. Here Sam is as good as Ram. If there is the negative word in the positive degree, then you may use so instead of as. First as. Sam is so good as Ram. Sam is not so good as Ram. Here in this way, if there is the negative sense, you can use so. Now, you will see how there is the change of sentence in respect of superlative to positive degree or superlative to comparative degree. Now see, from superlative to positive degree. Positive degree. Superlative to positive degree. Here, suppose the example is Ram is the best boy in the class. Ram is the best boy in the class. And in another example, suppose gold is one of the heaviest metals. Gold is one of the heaviest metals. And in another example, suppose gold is not the heaviest of all metals. Now see, suppose such type of superlative form is used here with the use of the only, with the use of one of the only. This is the superlative form. Here in the first example, you will see there is the use of the superlative form with the use of the only. And here there is the use of superlative form with the use of one of the. And here this is the superlative form with the use of not plus of all in the sentence. Now see how such type of superlative formation is to be changed into positive degree. This is easy way to remember the examples in order to convert a speech, convert a sentence containing the superlative form to positive degree. Now see attentively. Here, suppose Ram is the best boy in the class. This is the first example. And here you are going to convert the sentence into the positive degree. The adjective form is in superlative form with the use of the. And here at the time of converting the positive degree into superlative degree, you will have to convert the degree in this way. Here if there is the use of the just before the superlative degree, you will have to use no other. No other at the beginning of the sentence. Next you will have to write the word or words just after the superlative degree. Here no other boy in the class will be written. No other boy in the class. In the class. Next, here the verb is in singular number and here no other is used. You will have to use the verb as singular. No other boy in the class is. Next, you will have to use so. Here I have already told you, if there is the positive degree sense with the negative sense, then you can use so instead of as. Here if you use as, it will also be correct. Here it is better used, so is better used if there is the negative sense in the positive degree sentence. Here no other boy in the class is so or as. Next, you will have to use the positive degree of the superlative word. Best is the superlative word, good is the positive degree. No other boy in the class is so or as good. Next, you will have to write another as just after the positive degree. No other boy in the class is so or as good as. Next, the word or words used before the verb word will be used just after the last as. Here Ram is the word which will be used just after the last as, because here there is the word Ram used before the verb word. The verb word here, the word or words before the verb word will be placed or used just after the last as in this way. No other boy in the class is so or as good as Ram. Here in this way you can convert a sentence from superlative to positive degree. Now see, here gold is one of the heaviest metals. Here if such type of second sentence is given and you are going to convert the superlative formation into positive degree, then you see how it is changed. Now here you see one of the is used here just before the superlative form heaviest. Gold is one of the heaviest metals. So in this respect, when you will go to change such type of superlative form into positive degree formation, then you will have to use very few. Very few. Very few. Very few is the phrase which must take the plural form or plural noun just after it. Here metals. Very few metals. Very few metals. This is the plural sense. And here now see, there is the use of singular verb in the superlative formation. Gold is the singular form. There is the singular form, the subject singular, the verb singular. And here the subject, very few metals, has now become the plural subject. So the verb must be in plural sense. Very few metals are. Very few metals are. Here you are going to make it a positive degree sentence. So you will have to follow the structure as or so plus adjective, so or the positive degree of adjective or as. Here you will have to write very few metals are as. Next, the positive degree of the superlative form heaviest is heavy. H-E-A-V-Y. Heavy. Very few metals are as heavy. Next, you will have to use as just after the superlative form because you are going to make the sentence with the positive degree used. Here, very few metals are as heavy as. Next, the word used before the verb word. Gold is one of the heaviest metals. Gold is the word which is used just before the verb word. You will have to use the word used before verb word at the end just after as. Here gold is the word which will be used in this way at the end of the sentence just after as. Very few metals are as heavy as gold. Gold is one of the heaviest metals. Very few metals are as heavy as gold. Now see, here if there is the use of, once again, I have already told you how it is changed. You will have to follow it. Once again, if there is the use of one of the just before the superlative form, then you will have to use very few at the time of making the sentence positive degree. Here very few, this is the phrase which must take the noun word in plural sense. Very few metals. Metals, this is the word which is used in the plural sense. Then the plural verb must be used. Very few metals are. Next, as heavy as gold. Here this is the positive degree structure and you will have to follow the positive degree structure as or so plus positive degree of the adjective, then the adjective as will be used. As, heavy, as. Next, the first word just before the verb word must be used just after the last as in this way. In this way, you can change a sentence containing the superlative form into positive degree form. Now see how this type of superlative construction with the use of not plus of all is there. How to change such type of sentence. And here whenever you will see such type of sentence, then you will have to make the sentence positive degree in this way. Here of all will be removed by the use of some. Some. Some is the word which must take the plural noun just after it. Some metals. Some metals. Some metals, here the verb is used in the plural sense. But in the sentence, gold is. Here the verb was used in the singular form because gold is the singular subject. Here it takes the singular subject verb. But here now some metals have been used here as the plural subject So the verb must be used in written are. Some metals are. Some metals are. And here now there is the use of not. Not will be removed by the use of at least. At least. Some metals are at least. Next, you will have to follow the structure of positive degree. As plus positive degree of the adjective word. Here, heaviest is the superlative word. The positive degree form of the word is heavy. As heavy. As heavy. Some metals are at least as heavy. Next, you will have to follow the structure of positive degree as plus adjective degree of the positive word. Positive degree of the adjective word. As plus positive degree of the adjective word plus as heavy as. Next, you will have to use the word used before the verb word just after as, last as at the end. Here gold will be used. In this way, you will have to change the sentence. Gold is not the heaviest of all metals. Some metals are at least as heavy as gold. In this way, you will have to convert a sentence containing a superlative degree to positive degree. Now, you will see how the sentence from superlative to comparative degree is formed. And see the examples. Gold is one of the heaviest metals. Gold is not the heaviest of all metals. Now see in these three examples how the sentence is transformed from superlative to comparative degree. Here in the first example you see that Ram is the best boy in the class, and here best is the superlative degree followed by the article only the, and here gold is one of the heaviest metals. Heaviest is the superlative degree followed by one of the, and here in the third example heaviest is also the superlative degree followed by not of all. Here not of all is there in the sentence. And now see what type of changes are there at the time of converting from superlative to comparative degree. Here in the first example, if you convert the sentence from superlative to comparative degree, you will have to write the answer in this way. Ram is better Ram is better than any other boy in the class. Ram is better than any other boy in the class. When you will see that there is the use of article only the with the superlative degree, then you will have to use than any other. Ram is the best boy in the class, and if you want to change the sentence from superlative to comparative degree, you will have to write the sentence in this way. Ram is better than any other boy in the class. In this way, you will have to change the sentence. And here in the second example, you see that gold is one of the heaviest metals. Gold is one of the heaviest metals. Here in the second example, if you want to change the superlative degree of the adjective into comparative degree, what type of sentence will you frame? Now see, here you will have to write gold is heavier. Gold is heavier than most or many other metals. Gold is heavier than most or many other metals. Gold is heavier than most or many. Most or many. Any of the two words may be used here in this sentence. Gold is heavier than most or many other metals. Here in this sentence you see that here in the first example only the is used, and here in the second example one of the is used. Here one of the, when you will see that there is the use of one of the with the superlative degree, then you cannot use than any other. In this respect you will have to use than most other or than many other. Than many other or than most other. In this way you will have to convert the sentence from superlative degree to comparative degree. And in the third example you will see that here gold is not the heaviest of all metals. Here of all will be replaced by the use of some other. The answer will be written in this way: some other. Next metals will be used. Some other metals. Next the verb will be used. Some other metals are. Some other metals are. And here not will be replaced by the use of at least. Some other metals are at least. Some other metals. Here not will be removed by the use of at least. Some other metals are at least. Next, heavier. Some other metals are at least heavier. Here heaviest is the superlative degree and here heavier is the comparative degree. Some other metals are at least heavier than gold. In this way, you will have to use the comparative degree of the superlative form heaviest. Some other metals are at least heavier than gold. Here in this way, you will have to write the comparative degree of the word heaviest. And in another example, you may see that how the superlative form is changed into comparative degree. Now see. In the fourth example, suppose rice is not the most nutritious of all grains. Rice is not the most nutritious of all grains. Likely, according to the third example, followed by the superlative form in this sentence, heaviest, here you may write the answer in the same way. Suppose here rice is not the most nutritious of all grains. Here not is there, and at the same time here of all is there, not of all. Here of all will be replaced by the use of some other. Here in the same way you may write the answer. Some other. Next Here, this page will take the plural form. Some other grains. Here the verb was used in the singular form because rice is there, but here some other grains. Here this is the subject used in the plural sense. Some other grains. Next you will have to use the plural verb. Some other grains are. Here not is there. Not will be replaced by the use of at least. At least. Some other grains are at least. You will have to use the comparative degree form of the word nutritious. Here most nutritious is used as the superlative form. Now you will have to use the comparative form. So you will have to write more nutritious. Some other grains are at least more nutritious. Than rice. Some other grains are at least more nutritious than rice. In this way, you will have to write the sentence in the comparative degree. Here now see, more nutritious is used in the sentence as the comparative degree. Here than is used. Here the word rice is used just before the verb word. At the time of converting the sentence into comparative degree, you will have to use the word or words used before the verb at the end of the sentence just after the use of than. Some other grains are at least more nutritious than rice. In this way, as you have already changed the sentence, gold is not the heaviest of all metals, and in the answer you have written some other metals are. Here of all will be removed by the use of some other, and next the plural form metals, some other metals are used. Here though there is the singular verb in the question, gold is the singular form and verb is the singular. But here you will have to use the plural verb. Some other metals are. Here not will be removed by the use of at least. Some other metals are at least. Next, heavier. Here heaviest is the superlative degree and heavier is the comparative degree. Some other metals are at least heavier. Next you will have to use than. Some other metals are at least heavier than gold. Some other metals are at least heavier than gold. In this way. So students, you have seen that several types of sentence containing positive degree, comparative degree or superlative degree are changed in this way. Thank you.